Well, this is the New York strip steak rolls. These are the two big loaves of the strip steak, the New York style, right? This is how it's thick. So it's more than 1 inches, of course. So it's like 1.5 inches. This is my finger, and here it is. You know what we are going to do, guys? Take a knife, make slight cuts on top of your meat. I mean, these are the big loaves of the New York steak. Cut right on top of it, if you guys see closely. So this is the cut, you know, it goes deeply all the way inside. This is the second one. So this whole New York strip steak, right, it cost me around $25 for these two pieces. But trust me, it's a different kind of steak. It's a different kind of marination for your meats, which will taste awesomely, perfectly fine. I can promise you that. So just make elongated, like vertically cuts on the meat. Alright, so if you guys see, these cuts are beautifully done. They are not too deep, but they are deep at the same time, you know. Get your bowl, strip steak in your bowl. You guys already know how we do marinate these. This is fresh cumin and fresh coriander. 2 spoons of fresh cumin, 2 spoons of fresh coriander. To sprinkle right on top. And I have another one, same. So when you add 2 spoons, it's like one bowl is containing 2 spoons of cumin, the other bowl is containing 2 spoons of coriander. We'll just drizzle this right on top. 1 whole tablespoon of garlic powder. Sprinkle half of it on this side and flip your New York strip steak and half on the other side. Take the black pepper, 1 whole spoon, flip the sides, same thing, half spoon on this side as well. Take the regular table salt. You can use Himalayan salt, you can use sea salt, but regular table salt will do the job. Half tablespoon on this side. Again, we will flip the sides. Very easy peasy recipe. Half spoon of salt. Take the white vinegar, half spoon, flip the sides, and half spoon, so quarter here, quarter here. So all the dry ingredients, right, it's on our meat. Just make sure your meat is covering all the seasoning, you know. Remember, we made the cuts. If you guys see the cuts, we just have to make sure all our marination and all the seasoning. This is New York's style strip steak. If you guys see, oh my god, the cumin and the coriander, right, it's the main key for our recipe. Alright, so our meat is marinated. So this is regular canola oil. We will add at least 2 spoons of canola oil right on top of our meat. Again, use your hands. If you're conscious, or if your guests are conscious what kind of food you're making, it should be hygienic. You can use gloves. Oil will balance it out. If you guys see closely, so this is all the meat, right? It has the layer of oil. The meat is like telling me right now, oh yeah, delicious, done. We will take fresh oregano leaves. Just get the leaves and just add it right on top of the meat. This is our fresh ingredient so far. This is all fresh. Make sure you cover your meat with all fresh oregano leaves. Alright, so leaves are right there. Again, flip your meats and make sure the oregano leaves are covering the steak all the way. This is our Ninja air fryer grill. We will turn on the power, we'll turn on the grill section, we'll put it on the high flame, and we will set the timer at least for 12 minutes, and we will start it up. Let the air fryer grill get ready. In the meantime, our meat is marinated in our homemade marination, the seasoning. So our Ninja air fryer grill is ready, and our steak, the New York strip steak, is ready. If you don't have the Ninja air fryer, you want to make it on the gas grill or charcoal grill, you can definitely do that. The timing will be a little bit different, so for the Ninja air fryer grill, we will cook the New York strip steak at least 6 minutes on each side, right? So I'll pick up one whole big slice and put it right on top. This is the second one, and I'll put it right here, right on top. We'll close on our lid. If you guys see here, it's telling us it's 12 minutes. So after 6 minutes, we will flip our sides. So the first 6 minutes are been done. This is how it looks. This is just the 6 minutes, guys. We'll take our rubber thong and we'll flip the sides. Very easy, right? It has the chars. Look at the cuts. If you guys see the cuts, they are doing their best job ever. Close on the lid, and we have next right here. We have next 6 more minutes to go. Alright, so last 12 minutes of New York strip steak roast is done. If you guys see here, it's almost there. It's all the way done. Here you go. This is end. And this is how it looks, guys. It's all perfectly roasted. It has the char on top. It's perfectly done. What we are doing, we're taking out our steak, and we will put our steak right on top of the bed of our oregano leaves. Oh my. Yum, 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 yum. It's fully delicious, fully cooked. Guys, this is the New York strip steak. Perfectly roasted. So this is the moment of truth, right? Take a big slice right here, and this is the first bite, guys. Super tender, super nice. And New York strip steak roast, the best form of steak. I have tzatziki sauce. Let me pour some tzatziki sauce right on top. Flavor. So tzatziki sauce. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe the channel, like the video if you like this whole recipe, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Do make this recipe if you're craving for the meat. Try this New York strip steak. Oh wow, it's just yummy.